Go ahead, take it all in. This is the Bamboo Grove Club Suite with Balcony Tranquility Soaking Tub at Sandals Negril, where incredible ocean views come standard and luxury is just the beginning. Whether you're unwinding after a day in the sun or soaking up the views from the comfort of your suite, this room delivers pure magic at every turn. Step into a bathroom that feels more like a spa. Every surface, every detail, designed to make you feel absolutely incredible. If you're dreaming of this level of luxury for your next romantic getaway, honeymoon, or special celebration, I can help make it happen. Contact me directly to book your stay at any Sandals resort, and I'll work to find you the perfect accommodations and ensure every detail of your trip is taken care of. For more information about this incredible property and other outstanding accommodations across all Sandals resorts, check out the link in the description box below. And here's an insider tip. Want exclusive deals on these incredible accommodations? Join my weekly email list to take advantage of resort discounts and promotions across all Sandals resorts. I share the best offers every week, so you never miss out on savings for your dream vacation. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Trust me, a Sandals resort is bucket list travel at its finest. Like this video if you're adding a Sandals vacation to your travel wish list. Subscribe for more luxury resort tours, and I'll see you in the next one.